we're at the Caribbean Palm Village in Aruba. So let's take a look at our room. It's 2101B. As you can see, open the door and we enter. We have an ironing board on the left, coffee pot as well, right in the front door. We have a kitchenette on the right with a microwave, and we enter to our bedroom. It's a 2-bedroom with a window view.
And a retro
background. Retro.
Check out this.
For some reason they have a winter theme. Oh no, that looks like a, I don't know what theme it is. It's like a lake house view with a lighthouse.
I'm a child again. It reminds me when I was in the 80s.
Yeah, they have this little nice wood grain background of our beds. We have a TV. I think it's a Samsung. It's a Samsung. All right. We have a telephone and a little sitting area for editing. And here's what's interesting. So before we get to that interesting part, let's go check out how cool the bathroom looks. So we got this bathroom. Lovely. We got a sink and a toilet. Okay. Now, when we walked in here, this door was open, right? What do you guys see? Another room. So, this has a balcony in it. So we can step out here if we want and look at the pool area, as you can see. And it's unlocked. So, and I guess anybody can walk in here? No. It's not unlocked. But there's that. We got a little living area. Let's go ahead and proceed to the kitchen with a refrigerator. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. But they gave us a blender and an awesome oven with a microwave. All right, so let's proceed to the bedroom. Ooh, this is a king size bed. So the other one didn't even have a king size bed, and they have like a single, it looks like, and a window. All right, and they have a TV in here too. It's a Samsung. Beautiful. Let's check out the bathroom. Different color scheme. Hello. Toilet and a bathtub. Now, what we want to do, let's go ahead and examine to see if this key opens the front door of 2101. Because if it does, then that means this room is ours too. So let's take a look. See that? It doesn't open. Interesting. So it does appear that one is not ours. So we'll go back in here. And all we can do is hope that nobody gets that room next to us, because then they can just come in whenever they want. Apparently that room does not open.
Okay, can you lock it? Because I don't want nobody walking in here.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, and that is the room tour for Palm Village, Caribbean Palm Village.
Look, they gave me homework.
What do you mean?
All the stuff that you have to go through.
Oh, wow.
It's a lot of information. I just
Interesting.
too, in case you don't want to go through all that.
I probably won't. All right, well, that's all we got for you. And let's catch you on the next one.